Hi Tech Committee friends, it's Allison. I want to show you how to open up Confer Zoom. First you want to go to your Canvas class, and if you've already downloaded it, then it'll appear over here on your menu. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can go to Settings, and from there, how did I do this before? Okay, quickly go back in time. I think it's under, nope, navigation. There we go. So down under navigation, you'll see I already have ConferZoom up here because it's already in use in my course. But you will probably have it somewhere down here under C. So what you want to do is click on the buttons down here and drag it up, or it'll give you an option to add it from these buttons. So once you've done that, make sure that you hit save, and then it will save it to your course feed. So from there, you click on ConferZoom. It pretty much does all the work for you from there, which is kind of cool. Next, you go over to Quick Launch New Event. And I usually do my conferences with students for about 15 minutes, but this is really arbitrary. It's not going to cut you off. It's just like a ballpark. So you just click on that. You click Launch. And it tells you your meeting is now getting ready to start, and then it's going to give you a window. Hello, there I am. From here, you go down to Invite, go into your default mail, and then you start typing in the names of whoever you want to invite. There you go. You hit send, and then everybody on that list will get this same link. Now once you get the link, they're just going to click on it, and then from your end, if you're the person who's starting the meeting, you'll hear a ding dong, so it sounds just like a doorbell. Go over to, I'm going to discard this, get rid of it. You go back to your screen here, and on my Mac I just hit that button and that tells me where my screen is. And then the person on the other end of the meeting pops up in your video screen, and there you are, you're chatting back and forth. Now the video quality and the sound quality are usually excellent, although this morning I was on a conference and the sound kept cutting out a little bit. So you may want to use a plug-in headset if you have one. I've even used like a phone headset, and that seems to work just fine. So there it is. Ta-da!